Pakistan will collapse. On 20th November 2019, I wrote a blog on Pakistan, and the title of my blog was Pakistan Will Vanish from the World Map. Namaskar, I am Shucheta, astrologer and energy auditor. I do astrological prediction only to aware people on some coming big transition or some turbulent time that can affect my country or my people. I avoid doing astro prediction on mundane basis for zodiac signs or planetic movement, etc. Why? Because astro science is just a medium to unlock your karmic past life karmas. And we know karma is a fate, is a fortune. The prediction I did on 20th November 2019 is quite inevitable. I'm here to talk about the topic because the intensity of the collapse of Pakistan now will catch speed and it will be visible to all. Pakistan will be divided in 5 parts including LOC. Please note, in the same block, I have mentioned that with the implode of Pakistan, we will also see economical and social downfall of America. The first installment we have already seen on 6th January 2021. But here I want to add something new information to this video is that on China, and this prediction is that this is an astro movement of planets that I can see is a big change or a rapture that is coming to China. These events are not very far from now. Pakistan economical status almost crushed, and now the only thing that has kept it surviving is its debt taking practice. Economy is on ventilator. By borrowing that it does kept it alive. Some may think that it is on the edge of collapse due to GDP of Pakistan going down, second civil war or political unrest, next military action on innocent people especially on Baluchi and Pak Sindhis, fourth corona and its side effect, fifth slipping into the hands of radical people, and most important point is Modi's accurate planning, proving it as a terrorist heaven. No, these all factors are side effect, not the actual cause. The actual cause is its karmic punishment that is going to face in 2021 and 2022. Pakistan was created on 1947, and it's a country which is unnatural, carved out of India on the basis of religion by horrendous and brutal killing of Hindus, Sikhs, Sindhis, Punjabis. The day it came into existence offended humanity by killing innocent people. That's why their cruelty broke this country again in 2 parts on 1971. We know how brutally East Bengal was the people of East Bengal, which is now called as Bangladesh now, was treated so badly by this Pakistani soldiers, raping and killing women and innocent people. Now again history will repeat itself, but this time it will completely collapse and form different independent state out of Pakistan. Here I want to add, and it is very important to note, and this information is for my young youth of India, new generation. Why Nehruji and Britishers selected this particular area to carve out Pakistan from India? Because they knew the communities of Sindhis, Punjabis, Hindus were deeply divided, and the discrimination on one another on the basis of caste, creed, and religion was very deep and will never be united, even if they have very big problem or some big trouble. If they will say, still they will not be united. And we know united they could not be, if they could have been protected if they have by the unity, but unfortunately we see that they didn't unite and couldn't protect their land and their property, their assets, everything. That's why it said that united we stand and divided we fall. The same thing was repeated in Kashmir. The Kashmiri Pandit, they suffered. Why? Why was they were thrown out of Kashmir? Why they were evicted from their own native land? It is important to know that what was the truth, because many people don't know about it, and those who know, they don't have the medium to tell to the people. Why Kashmiri Pandits were evicted? Only because of the ego and the superiority complex. They believe themselves superior than other Brahmins, the Brahmins from UP and Rajasthan. What's my objective? My objective telling you this, the information, is to just that you can be protected from the coming events that you will face in near future. Now coming back to our topic, Pakistan fall. As an energy seeker, my studies reveal that the collapse is repercussion of the karmas, the bad karmas, and the time to get the karmic reward and the karmic punishment. I've made a video on 2021, a year of a judgmental year. You can go and see that. And this is a year when Pakistan need to collapse as the karmic punishment, because the foundation is based on brutal killing, looting, harassing innocent people. And the same they we think with America and China also, because America was invaded, and many of the red Indians were killed, and their land was taken by the American people and the community. So what we sow, so shall we reap. Early or later, we have to cultivate our karmas. Therefore, Pakistan is bound to implode. In fact, the signs of implosion are well visible, and we will see the map of the country of Pakistan will vanish from the world map. Ending this video with the prayer that Almighty protect the innocent Baluchi, Sindhis, and the Hindus there, which are just a victim, and God should protect them. That's it for now. If you like my video, if you find it interesting and informative, please like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.